പൊതുസമൂഹത്തിന് ഏറ്റവും ഉപകാരപ്രദമായ ഹെൽത്ത് ഇൻഫർമേഷൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ലഭിക്കുവാനായി ഞങ്ങളുടെ യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. ബെൽ ഐക്കൺ അമർത്താൻ നിങ്ങൾ മറക്കരുത്.
One of the most common health problem nowadays is the back pain with the women. The causes can be many, like the weak core muscles, or traveling too much, or the post-pregnancy back pain, or poor posture while working at office or at home. So how can we address this issue? So let's see how we can address back pain. So to address this issue, back pain, let's see a few activation and stretching exercise. So the next exercise is the abs twist. So you come to a supine lying position, and from this position you just bend your leg at your knees and your hands by the side of your shoulders. Yeah. From this position you slowly bring your both legs towards the side, one leg on top of the other like this, and you come and twist on the other side. Again to the left side. Maintaining the neutral spine and the TA, you again go to the other side and to the left side.